In this lecture, we are going to study solar water heater. First, let's see the construction of this solar water heater. There are two main parts for this heater. First is solar collector, which is a flat plate collector, which is inclined like this, and it is facing the solar energy, it is facing the sunlight. It has got a glass cover on its top surface, and there are tubes present inside it which consist of water. The second part is water tank. In this tank there is water collected. Okay, now this tank has also got insulation, as you can see in pink color here. This insulation is for preventing any heat loss taking place from the water tank. Now, as the solar radiations are incident on the solar collector, the water contained inside the tubes will get heated up. As the water gets heated up, it is shown here in the yellow color, and as it gets heated up, its density reduces, which makes the water lighter, and because the water has become lighter, it starts to rise up. It rises up and gets collected in this water tank in the upper part. In the upper part, because it is lighter in weight, whereas the lower part has got cold water which has got higher density and therefore higher weight as compared to the hot water. The cold water can be collected here with the help of this inlet pipe, and the hot water can be taken out for any domestic use using this outlet pipe. Now, as the hot water is entering here in the upper part of this water tank, the same amount of cold water has to go out of the water tank. So, with this outlet pipe, the cold water will go out, and then it will enter into the tubes of the solar collector. So here the blue dots, these are showing the tubes which are containing cold water. Again, the same process will take place and water gets heated up, and then it is available for domestic use from this outlet. So this system is called as passive heating system. Whereas if there is a pump used here for the circulation of water, then the system is called as active heating system. Thank you.